Today, today we are going to learn how to make a box and whisker plot. So you are going to be given a list of numbers, a data set, and you are going to have to find 5 different numbers out of there to create what's called a box and whisker plot. So the first thing that you need to do is take that list of numbers and put it in order from smallest to largest. So looking at this list, I see 8, 9, and then 11. So 8, 9, 11, and then 14 and 17, and 23, 29, 30 and 2 32s, and a 39. Okay, so the minimum is our smallest number, so that is 8. The maximum is our largest number, so that is 39. Q2 is really the median. So I have to figure out what the middle number is here. And I'm not going to cross them off because I'm going to need to use them. So I'm just going to underline them as I go. One from the front, one from the back. And I'm going to keep going until I find the middle number. It looks like our middle number here is 23. Now this Q with a 1 behind it is called the first quartile. And what the first quartile is the middle or the median of the first chunk of data. So now I can cross them off. So one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back. So 11 is our first quartile. And then the third quartile is the same thing, only with the numbers in the end of the list. So one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back. Our middle number here is 32. So now we have the hard part done. We got our 5 numbers. We need to put them on this number line below. So the minimum and the maximum get dots, and we want to put them above our line. So I need a dot at 8. There's 8, and I need a dot at 39. Okay. And then we need a dot at 11, a dot at 23, and a dot at 32. You're going to connect the outer 2 on the front and the back with a line. Those are going to be our whiskers. Then you're going to draw a box around the middle point using the outside dots there. And there's your box. So now we have box and we have whiskers. The last thing I want you to do is draw a dotted line through the median. And there you have it. There is a box and whisker plot. I'm going to do one more example here for you to watch. We need to put the numbers in order first. So we have 42, 44, 46, 51, 58, 60, 67, 69, and 72. So our minimum is 42. Our maximum is 72. We have to find the median. So one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, from the back. Keep going. Middle number is 58. And then we have to find our first quartile, so the middle of the beginning. I have 2 numbers here. So the middle number is right between the 2. What is between 44 and 46? That is 45. Same thing at the back. Cross off one in the front, one in the back. We have right between 67 and 69, so that would be a 68. If they were farther apart and you weren't able to tell exactly what's between them, you would add them together and divide by 2. Okay, so now I have my 5 numbers that I need to put dots on my number line for. Remember, above the number line, 42, 72, 45, 58, and 68. Connect the outer 2 on both ends, dotted line through the middle dot, and a box around it. And that is all for a box and whisker plot.